Alright guys, did a cold start of the old Odin the other day, and I figured I'd give you some Tecumseh cold starts here. These are all 4 Tecumsehs, so give it a whirl and see how it goes. There's 2. Yes, man. There's 4. That little craftsman or the custom is a temperamental little fart. There you go, guys. Haven't been ran in about a week, so we're gonna do some cold starts. 68. I still got that weird knocking noise. I don't know if I told you guys, but I went up underneath it and I took this pulley out, this idler here, and it's fine. It rolls good. So I greased it, put it back in. I found a bolt off of the starter generator under here, so put a new bolt in there, tighten that up, but it's still making that noise. So I'm gonna check this idler here sometime when I get a chance. Give that a good greasing, because if it ain't that one and it's not that one, I don't know what it is. So we'll see. And the 72, she's kind of temperamental now, and then the key switch here. From having it sitting outside, I think it got water down in here, so I sprayed gum out in there and stuff. And try to clean up the contacts a little bit. Other than that, she's running good. The old custom still running good. I actually found this bolt down here and this bolt right here were loose, so this whole thing was wiggling back and forth. So I tightened them down, and it seems to be starting better. So that's pretty much it from here, guys. Doing another fix-it job. I had this one in a few months ago, fixed the drive on it, and now it's leaking gas right out of the seam of the gas tank here. So got a new tank ordered, and it should be here probably today or tomorrow, so I can get this back together and shipped out. After I get this done, I'm gonna start working on the old 69 here. Sick of her sitting here in pieces, so time to get back on it. Having complete tractor again. I missed that one. So, alright guys, that's the update from here. We're gonna give you the rest of the cold starts. And this is everything in the garage right now. All 4 of my restored ones are in here, so. Alrighty guys, that's it. We'll talk to you later.